2019. I know it's tough working abroad, away from family, but sometimes it's necessary for our loved ones and for ourselves too to be stronger and more independent in life. I'm sorry, I'm kind of nervous. Despite the challenges, I had to be strong. I arrived here with almost nothing. I think I have like 100 dirham AAD to survive for a month before the salary. Pero I survived. Life can be unfair, and we've all faced struggles, failures, and challenges. However, these challenges make us stronger and confident. Instead of getting disappointed or distracted, I keep moving forward. I barely going to the church or not going at all, but I prayed in silence every day and every night. I do believe in God, and His plan is always the best. But I also learned that it is important to believe in myself. When God sees our strength, He helps us find our way to survive. Not a magic, of course, but we still need to move and do something. Because magic is in our hands. He even sent people to help us. For me, that person is my love. He is here tonight. Since we met, he's been pushing me to keep going even when I feel like giving up. He supports me in every way and leads me out throughout my challenges. In short, reminds me that whatever I believe, I can achieve. So here I am today. I did it. So I believe in the saying that hard work always pays off. So the lesson I learned is not to give up. There's always an answer to every struggle. Hard work always pays off. You just have to believe in God and believe in yourself. So congratulations to all the graduates and for the teachers also, especially Mr. Noli. He's very kind. And even sometimes we are late, but he's still okay. Thank you so much, and to the management. Thank you and congratulations. And we all looking forward to our upcoming journey. Thank you. Have a nice evening.
Congratulations. Now we move on to the students of Sir Ernesto, aka Sir June. They completed massage and therapy.